in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and other media in Obsidian. If you use Obsidian for notes, projects, or organizing ideas, adding media is a great way to make your notes clearer, richer, and easier to understand. And the process is super simple. Obsidian is mainly a text-based app, but it fully supports adding images, audio, video, and PDFs to your notes. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using drag and drop. Just open the note where you want to add your media, then open your File Explorer, select the file you want to use and drag it directly into your note. Obsidian will automatically save that file into your Files Attachments folder and create a link so it displays right inside your note. You can also copy and paste images directly into a note. For example, if you copy an image from your browser or another app and then paste it inside Obsidian, it will be added to your Vault and embedded into the note automatically. This works great for quick screenshots. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to create a dedicated folder inside your Vault just for media or attachments. Obsidian will still keep the links working even if you move files around within the Vault. Most common formats are supported like GPG, PNG, MP3, MP4 and PDFs. If you use Obsidian across multiple devices, just make sure syncing is enabled through Obsidian Sync or a cloud service so your media files stay available everywhere, not just the text. So that's all there is to it. Adding media in Obsidian is fast and intuitive whether you prefer drag and drop or simple copy paste. It's a powerful way to make your notes more visual, more engaging, and easier to reference. Thanks for watching and happy note taking in Obsidian.